friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. So we have a clearance event over at the Dollar General this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So the 23rd, 24th, and 25th of September. There's some really good deals of some items, summer stuff, and then items that are, it looks summer, but it could be any time of the year. You could use this stuff. So definitely in the store, you're looking for these tags. So it is selected summer merchandise and other things on their list. Clearance and POG are not part of it. However, this is the wild card sort of clearance event where sometimes other things are included, and we will not know until Friday. So, but we're going to look at some stuff that I found at one store, and just to show you like the amount of items that are like really like great deals. So specifically, you're looking for these tags. Hopefully your store still has some summer stuff. I live in a very rural area, and I think people just canceled summer because there's a ton of stuff left. So hopefully you're in the same situation as I'm providing a lot of UPCs also in this video, so definitely take a scan and you decide if this is worth a trip to the store or not. But specifically, you're looking for these price break orange tags or whatever they are with the little diagram of like the costs, and we're going to look at that. So again, it's from the 23rd, 24th, 25th. There is no planogram or clearance merchandise that will be 50% off. Please pay attention to that. It's an extra 50% off of the summer and selected garden toys and PPE, which is kind of weird. And what PPE is like masks and hand sanitizer and wipes and that sort of thing. So I don't know why that's part of it, but I think that Dollar General has an abundance of those products, so that's why they're trying to put it in as part of this event. So I know they've had these events before in the past, but for whatever reason, this one leading up before the big clearance event, hopefully it's in October. I still don't have a date for you guys. Sometimes there's wild card items that are in this, and I even noticed when I was in the store, the one store I visited, I'm like, some of this stuff is ringing up kind of funny, so I made this video to share with you. And if this is stuff that you're interested, this will be a great video for you. Okay, let's get all school teachery on you guys and just show you a PPE product, which are these wipeouts. So it's a little container of hand wipes that smell like lemon. You know what? This isn't the worst one. So it's an 80 count, which is quite a few. So as you can see, they're tagged at $2. However, if you scan it right now in the Dollar General app, it's $1.50. And then on Friday morning, this one specifically, because it's selected wipes, not all of them, this should be 75 cents. And it's the ones that are probably near the summer stuff. That's probably the easiest way to find it. So if you think 75 cents is a good stock up price per VU, by all means, yes. And definitely check the expiry dates on these because they do expire. You don't want something that's going to expire in November. Okay, also another superb find that was tagged at the store are these Pamper Splashers, these little swim pants. So as it says 25% off, whatever that's ringing up for, it's going to be an additional 50% off. So my understanding, this will be $2.12 starting on Friday. So if you have a little one that's going to be, this size for next summer, and you're going to go to the beach or the pool a lot, this is definitely a stock up price. They also have the Dollar General generic or whatever the store brand, and these will be $1.25, and these are for both boys and girls. I mean, it's always nice to find these for pennies, but I mean, the reality is I'm one of these people that can never find pennies. So for $1.25, definitely stock up, especially if you're into like, beachy stuff. Now in these, where they have all the green dot summer stuff, also tagged was a lot of the sun care, so I'm sure this will be part of it. So $1.87. I mean, I love to get this stuff for a penny or 90% off, like 50 cents. But $1.87 if you need it, especially if you're in Florida, not the worst little dealio. Also, this was not part of food a couple months back or like a month ago. But this is 60 cents right now. They're the big freeze packs or freezies or like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a summer treat, a freeze pop. It's 60 cents right now. It'll be 30 cents starting on Friday with that tag. And then also the Hershey's. These were harder to find. There were 2 at the store. So they will be $1.72. Always scan everything for these sort of clearance events because some stuff on Friday it'll just ring up for like $3.45. It's not going to ring up half of that. So you'll have to mention it to the cashier and hopefully they'll give it to you 50% off. But it's always a weird thing the first day of a sale. Things are just like not programmed properly. Now, also something that's weird about this sale is that chalk is not included in it. Like flip-flops and chalk never included, which is really weird. But other items are. So it's like, what? It's confusing. So open up that Dollar General app and scan everything. So this H2Go, it's like a little float. It was $15. And so right now it's $7.50. So Friday moving forward, it should be $3.75. So that is some tremendous savings. That's like 75% off the merchandise. So yes, I like that. Also, we have the Pink Dot. It's like a little beach ball. So this is obviously a summer item, right? Like, I would hope so. So $4 and it's down to $1 as of Friday. So it's $2 before Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It'll be ringing up for $1. And I noticed NCI stores, it's ringing up perfectly, but other like much older stores, it's ringing up for a different cost. And I was playing around in the app this morning. I was like, what? Now here's a surprise item that I found that was just kind of bizarre. They had a whole bunch of coloring books and near all of the clearance summer stuff. And I thought, I'm just going to scan one of these. I have a niece that's really into My Little Pony. And it was ringing up for 75 cents. And a coloring book like this is usually like $1 or $1.50. So 75 cents. So I'm pretty sure this will be 37 cents starting on Friday moving forward. Wouldn't that be nice? Now, it is rumored that Green Dot will also be part of this. However, in NCI stores, so the stores that sell all the home merchandise, that's an NCI store. It's ringing up perfectly, but older stores, it's not, because I was checking both. I'm like, how's this working? La la la. This little spoon, just like cutesy home goods, and I think this could be used any time of the year, not just summer. So it's $3 on the tag. Right now it's $1.50, but on Friday it should be ringing up for 75 cents. A tall tale sign of the fact that it's a summer good too. See how it says made in China S22, summer 22. So that's how you know, like, oh, there it is. And then also, if you are an avid gardener, lots of the stuff that's like $1 right now is like 50 cents. So it should be $0.25 on Friday morning. And I will let you guys know, because I think the last couple years of this specific sale, because I do like to look for wild cards for this sale, because sometimes there's a little bit of magic, like cake pans or whatever, ringing up for 30 cents or whatever I want to do, or whatever I want to pay for. But with this specifically, I just want to give you guys an idea here that sometimes on Friday, things don't ring up as they should. So definitely pay attention, open up your Dollar General app, scan the barcodes to ensure that they're ringing up for the right cost, because you do not want to be paying 50 cents for this. And if you bring it to a cashier and explain that it's supposed to be 50% off of the cost, they'll just fight you and say, well, however it's ringing up, that's what it is. And I've had that too. So I would, like, even if you have to delay your shopping a little bit, wait until the app starts catching up where everything's ringing up for the cost at 50% of this. So hopefully that makes perfect sense. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.